Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Adeline's Adventures. Today we are going to be opening up this mystery blind bag. I got my scissors right next to me, so let's get started. First, we are going to slip it out of this. So here it's taped, so we are going to grab my scissors and cut through it. And look how cute it is, guys. It is Sanrio from the Sanrio show. This is the blind bag. It's so adorable. I love how cute it looks. So next we're going to use my scissors that I have and cut through the top to open it. So let's use scissors to open it. Okay, we got it through. And here's the paper squishy, guys. It's Sanrio. He looks so adorable. This squishy is so cute. I love how it turned out. It's so adorable. I love it. Like the video if you like Sanrio. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.